Hello, good day everyone. My name is Pilio Valerino. I'm from STEMBA 4 ITB, and today I would like to present about the dual pathways of strategic innovation, a comparative study in global and regional energy transition as a mid-examination of management of innovation, technology, and entrepreneurship. And today I would like to compare ExxonMobil Company with Medco Energy International. So let's talk about ExxonMobil company profile. ExxonMobil formed in 1999 as the merger of Exxon Corporation and Mobil Corporation. The merger proposes to creating one of the world's largest multinational oil and gas companies. ExxonMobil is a global integrated energy with current business focused on low carbon solution. ExxonMobil got number 14 of Fortune Global 500 in 2025 with the net zero goal committed to achieving net zero emission from its operated asset by 2050. ExxonMobil's innovative focus is centralized in its low carbon solution business with innovation areas. The first one is carbon capture and storage by investing heavily to build a leading carbon capture and storage business, hydrogen by developing a large-scale low-carbon hydrogen production capabilities, and the last one is biofuels by focusing on advanced biofuels and technologies. While Medco Energy International formed in 1980 have a core business model to diversify energy and natural resources spanning three core pillars, consists of oil and gas, clean power, and copper and gold mining. The primary innovation strategy, Medco Energy positioned itself as a leader in the energy transition within Indonesia and South Asia by expanding its renewable energy capacity and committing to strong ESG performance. With key innovation are the first is renewable energy expansion by developing major clean power projects, and then decarbonization in operation by implemented sustainability projects such as installing solar panel in its oil and gas corridor block, and ESG focus by receive multiple high ESG ratings. So the first one is comparative analysis of innovation topics 1, the strategic and systematic innovation. For ExxonMobil, business model innovation, they focus on transformation via low carbon solution. This is a novel, high capital business model focused on being B2B service provider for emission reduction. While for Medco Energy International, they try to diversification and resilience. The innovation is a strategic pivot from a purely oil and gas model to a three pillars models: oil and gas, clean power, copper, and gold mining. And for the innovation strategy, ExxonMobil focus on scale-driven and capital-intensive, while Medco Energy International focus on balance and incremental market-driven. While for the technology and innovation-based business, ExxonMobil focus on the low-carbon solution as a new technology-based business, while for Medco Energy International, they try to focus on clean power is the innovation-based unit. For the comparative analysis of innovation topics 2, we will focus about the technology research and development commercialization. For the ExxonMobil, R&D management is focused on deep integration with academia and patents, and for the commercialization, they try to focus on high risk and high reward, and for the exploring the innovation, they try to focus on technology push for new markets. ExxonMobil is pushing a specific technology such as a CCS hydrogen to create and define a new high-value B2B market for emission reduction service. While for Medco Energy International, they try to focus on operational and project-specific focus, and for the commercialization, they focus on lower risk and proven technology adoption. And last one, for the exploring innovation, they try to focus on market pull. For proven technology, Medco Energy is responding to a clear market need by leveraging proven technologies that fit its research-based and risk profile. For the comparative analysis of innovation topics 3, we will talk about execution, culture, and context. For ExxonMobil, their disruptive innovation is challenging the status quo of the energy industry. LCS is potentially a disruptive business model within the energy sector, shifting from oil and gas revenue towards carbon and hydrogen service. For executing innovation project, they focus on large-scale multi-decade execution, and for the technological innovation for business sustainability, they focus on sustainability as a new revenue stream. While for Medco Energy International, the disruptive innovation is focusing on diversification-driven disruption, where disruption is manifested to portfolio shift, where the rapid growth of the clean power and mining sectors internally disrupt the dominance of traditional oil and gas business unit. And for the executing innovation project, they focus on modular and agile execution, and for the technological innovation for business sustainability, they focus on sustainability as an integrated goal. For the conclusion remark, the first one, R&D and execution, ExxonMobil core innovation is on the intellectual property and R&D for invention, and Medco Energy core innovation is in execution and project management as adoption. For innovation strategy duality, ExxonMobil leverage immense scale and capital for a technology push strategy in CCS and hydrogen to create a new defensible business-to-business market. For Medco Energy, pursue a market pull strategy using a business model innovation as diversification and rapid technology adoption to capture regional clean power growth. For strategic implication, the optimal strategy depends on available capital, core competencies, and the local regulatory context, and Medco Energy's strategy is a strong model for other diversified regional energy players. That's all for my presentation. Thank you.